So what exactly is ClickFunnels and how can it help you grow your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you an inside look of how this software works and how it can massively grow your business, but more importantly, how it can automate it and how it can make your life easier. Now, I'm going to show you how this software works for an online business, a local business. It really doesn't matter. If you need more leads, more sales, then this is the software for you. Now, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and this software has actually allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Let's get into it. Now, I just want to show you this real quick. As you can see, from January 1st to April 15th, I've done 6 figures by using this software. And I'm going to show you exactly what I've done to be able to do this, okay? Now, if you've never heard of ClickFunnels or you don't even know what a funnel is, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. But basically, if you've gone to a normal website, right? Let's just say, for example, like bestbuy.com, right? You go to this website and you have a million different options, right? As you see here, we have, top deals, deal of the day, gift cards. There's so many options when you go to a normal website. Now with a funnel, you have just one option, okay? So you're basically taking your customer through this journey. Now I'm going to show you inside of my ClickFunnels account, okay? This is one of my most successful funnels, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works and more importantly, how you can use this in your business. Now, the cool thing about ClickFunnels is it's not a website builder, like let's just say if you're trying to build like a bestbuy.com, it's a funnel builder. So you're taking someone through this journey, and I'm going to walk you through this journey of how I take my customers. And again, this works for any business, whether you're a local business, an online business. I happen to be a course creator online, so I'm going to take my customers through this journey. Now, what's going to happen here, okay, is this is step number 1 of the journey. So what happens here is they go to something called an opt-in page. Now, the main goal of this page is to get someone to give me their email. So let me just show you what this page looks like, okay? So it basically has a few elements where I have a headline here. Also, I have, some quick copy on why they should enter their email and keep going through this process, possibly a picture, but it's very simple page. Now, what I want you guys to see here is there's no other option but to enter an email, okay? So as you can see here, if I want access to this business or to this opportunity, I have to enter my email, okay? So this is the first step in the process. Now, it's really important to capture an email, even if you have a local business, if you have an online business. I think the main goal of your business is to have a huge customer list, all right? Even when I had my local business as a restaurant owner, I wanted to get as many email leads as possible because I can control how I contact those people, okay? So that's the first thing I do is I capture their email. Now, if I go back here, the next step is I want to be able to sell them a product, right? So this is step number 2. And basically it's called a VSL or a video sales letter. So now I can have the software do all the selling for me, right? Again, now I can automate my business. I'm almost out of the picture because this is doing everything for me, right? So, someone enters their email and then on the next page, they get to this page right here. Now it's just me. It's just a quick 2-minute video where I tell them about what my products and services offer, how it can help them, how it could, take them from pain to pleasure, basically just selling them on the product, okay? This is called a video sales letter. And then if they want to continue, again, they only have one option. So in here it says, yes, give me access. Then it takes them to the next page. Now on this page, right, and this is what I want to show you is this is the checkout page. This is where they actually buy the product. Now the cool thing is ClickFunnels makes it super easy to literally create these pages by drag and drop. Let me show you how easy this is, okay? So I'm going to go inside this page. And let's just say I want to edit something, okay? So I can literally go to edit page, and they made this software so easy that anyone can literally drag and drop, right? So I can move things around, I can move my order forms, I can move my headlines, I could move my photos. I'm messing this up now, but you can see I can literally drag and drop everything, okay? I'm not gonna save this, but that's the power of this software. Now, more importantly, right, and this is how you really kind of grow your business, is having more opportunities for your customers to buy. So think of this journey as like someone's in the grocery aisle and they're about to buy the groceries, right? They're gonna buy the main thing, but then they see the things on the side, right? They see the gum or the candy. Those are all called impulse buys, okay? So you can do the same thing when people are going through your funnel. So let me just show you an example of how that works. So on my checkout page, they can buy my product, okay? As you can see here, this is a low ticket product for $7. But this is called an impulse buy here, right? They're already in the mood, they're already going to buy. So this is called an order bump, okay? It's gonna be similar to, if I'm in the grocery aisle, or even if I'm at a restaurant and I wanna buy, let's just say, a drink, right? They always say, do you wanna buy a drink with that? Whatever it is, right? This is the extra stuff that makes you the most money, okay? Now this is important when you start running paid advertising, because this is gonna pay for your ads, okay? Because now, there's a certain percentage of people that are gonna buy this offer. As you can see, it's a $27 offer, and that's gonna increase the order value, right? Instead of just making $7, now I'm gonna make $34 because I'm adding more products that they can buy, right? As long as it's relevant to the main product, a certain percentage are gonna buy, okay? I think about 20% of people buy this, which is pretty good, okay? Now on the next page, and this is really, really cool, okay? This is called a one-click upsell, all right? So now they buy the main product and it's like, okay, now I give them something else that they might want. In this particular case, I'm giving them a one-on-one coaching call with me. Now, as you can see, all they gotta do is click this button and it's gonna add that to the cart, okay? Now, what's really cool about this is I already have their credit card information here, okay? They've already entered their information. So when they get to this website or this part of the funnel, all they gotta do is click that button and it automatically charges their card because it's saved, okay? So very, very powerful. Now, once that's done, now I can go ahead and fulfill on that order, whether it's a local product or a course. In this particular case, it's a course, okay? So the cool thing about ClickFunnels is now I can say, hey, you can log into your course, okay? So with ClickFunnels, I'm literally able to build out membership areas where this is all automated, okay? So if you have an online course or something of that nature, a fitness program, a consulting program, whatever it is, you can have them go through this automated system. And that's the power of ClickFunnels, and that's why I love this software so much, because literally my whole business is on autopilot. That's how I've been able to do, a little over 110,000 in just the first few months of 2021, okay? So that's the power of this software, because now, unlike a BestBuy.com where they're distracted, all these things that they can go and click, they only have one thing that they can do. Now, the cool thing is you can use this software for building up email leads, for selling products. It really doesn't matter. I've been able to help thousands of clients be able to create these pages from scratch, okay? It's very, very easy to do, okay? Now, I do have a link to the ClickFunnels software down in the YouTube description below. I also have a free course if you're interested in purchasing ClickFunnels, okay? And if you wanna know how to use it more. So let me show you the free course of ClickFunnels. This is what it looks like right here. And I actually built this inside of ClickFunnels, and I'm giving this to you absolutely free if you use the link to buy ClickFunnels. Obviously you're interested, you're looking to grow your business, but you don't know how to use the software, right? So I created this course for you guys so you guys can learn how to use it. I'll leave a link to this in the YouTube description down below. Basically, it goes into depth on how to use the software, all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, so if you have any questions at all, let me know. Now, one thing I did want to mention is, or what if you want to use ClickFunnels, but you don't have a business, right? You don't have a local business, you don't have an online business. Well, you can actually do something called affiliate marketing, where you sell other people's products for a commission. And that's exactly how I started using ClickFunnels. I used the software to promote other people's products for a commission, and then eventually I created my own products. Now, if you want to learn exactly how you can start affiliate marketing, I'm gonna leave a link below as well to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I go into depth on how you can do this, without having a business, without having products. Literally, this is what helped me quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. But anyways, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.